I'm Carolyn Duncan, an estate planning attorney with Duncan Legal in Centennial, Colorado. Today we're going to talk about funding your trust. So you just spent an hour at my office and we signed all these documents and you went home with a great looking notebook, and now you're looking at it for the first time and you're going, gosh, what the heck do I do now? Well, now you have to fund the trust. It's a very important concept because if you don't do that, then you may be facing probate because you didn't properly fund it. But today we're going to talk about how to get that done. So the first thing you want to make sure you've done is you want to record that warranty deed and that statement of authority. Remember, the statement of authority is telling the world who has the power to transfer that real property in and out of your trust. We provided you with the instructions of, here's the clerk and recorder you need to send it to, here's how much it's going to cost. All you have to do is put it in an envelope, put on a stamp, and the work will be done for you. So the next big piece you have to take care of for your trust are those financial documents or those financial accounts. We gave you a certificate of trust and we explained to you that this is that we came, we saw, we did. We signed a trust, I'm the trustee, and I have all the power. You're going to take that document to the bank to change your financial documents into the name of your trust. You don't need to get a new check or anything like that. We don't want to show wealth. We don't want Target to come after you and go, man, they have money, let's go to their house. You also are going to want to change those investment accounts. That can usually be done through email, electronic signatures. Next thing you know, it's done. You may have some other assets that also have to be taken care of, but you're not necessarily moving them into the trust. Instead, you're naming the trust as the beneficiary. This would include life insurance, that you name the trust as the beneficiary so the trust controls the distribution. You may also want to move your 401k or your IRA beneficiary designation, but there could be some tax consequences, so you need to check with your tax preparer. And if you own a business, you also want to make sure you assign that business interest to the trust. So again, now that you have that big, beautiful green binder, you have to fund the trust. That's the whole reason why you did it, was to avoid probate. It can be scary, it can be daunting, it can be time consuming, but it's not difficult. You have any questions? Give Duncan Legal a call. We'll talk you through it. Or if you think it's a little too much for you, make an appointment. Let's discuss your options. Maybe we can handle the funding for you. Again, give Duncan Legal a call today.